Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club. I haven't had time this week to get back onto the PT109. So this week, Friday's episode is going to be an unboxing of the Mosquito from Revell. So have a quick watch of the video. Sorry about the break in between, but it's a big project, looking nice though. Okay, looking nice. So now without further ado, to the wooden wonder. Nice. Happy Friday everyone, welcome to the Scale Model Club. We'll be looking at the unboxing of this Revell Level 5 or 1/48 scale Mosquito Mark IV. 4, isn't it? Yeah, Mark 4. It's quite a big kit, it's 1/48 scale, so it's quite big, a bit bigger than I usually build, but it was nice and cheap. Got it on offer. 222 parts, so there's a lot of bits to it. Quite looking forward to it. It's one of my favourite models. The back of the box has got some nice pictures of the finished model, and also some of your paints that you'll need to fill it in. It's a level 5, so it means it's not really for beginners, but I shouldn't think the parts are too small as it's such a big aircraft. There's some lovely box art on it, and the sides all show the front box art. Let's open this bad boy and have a look. So in the box we have the instructions, and I think there's 4 or 5 sprues. Standard Revell instructions. These are quite nice. The new look Revell stuff. I like it. Nice and coloured. So we get the instructions to start with about safety stuff, about what you're to do with the different knives and plastic and glues. Sorry for a camera wobble. Next page is the paints you're going to need. And then the page after that is the how to mix them, your percentages, and we also have a sprue map. This is so you can check you haven't lost any pieces from the sprues. Instructions all very clear, all in colour. So yeah, not looking too bad. Looking quite straightforward. Fuselage comes in 2 halves, that's quite new. And that'll be the wings, engines, wheel bays, and all the other stuff that goes inside it. Right at the end we have the paint instructions. I think it only makes one Mosquito. Oh no, hang on, no, there is two different sets of, so there should be 2 different decals to make. 2 different aircraft, should I say. That's the instructions. Next bit is the safety, the decals. Nicely printed, good quality, nice and flat. Should go on quite nicely. Don't know if I'm going to use them because I have got some other decals for mosquitoes, not Messerschmitts. And these are the safety instructions. So look after your fingers. First up we've got the clear sprue. Nicely sealed in a bag, keep it nicely protected. So protected I can't even get it out. size of that canopy. May have overestimated how big this is. Nicely printed, nicely detailed. So, and on tonight's show, Maly struggles with plastic bags. And we have the wings that look huge. Quite looking forward to building this. This is going to be the next model after the boat. Saw it cheap, couldn't resist it. Always loved the mosquito, the wooden wonder. Very low, very fast bomber, fighter bomber. Germans hated them. So we've got the wings, nicely detailed, a lot of rivet detail, and the landing gear, tops and bottoms, all kept in the plastic bag, 2 sprues there. All packed very nicely. Oh, excuse me. It's been a long week. Can't wait to get back onto PT9 at the weekend. So, and here we have the fuselage, which, as I said, comes in 2 halves, which is new. Nicely printed, no flash, a lot of detail. It should come out quite nice. Got the engine parts. Not sure if I'm going to do it sort of engine showing or not. I'll see what we've got. And that's obviously the other 2 engines. So 5 sprues in all. Nicely printed, no flash, plenty of detail, recessed panel lines. Very nice. Another terrific model by Revell, or Revell, however you want to pronounce it. So I'm going to be using a few bits of paint for this. I haven't got them specially for this, but luckily I have them. One of them is going to be a Cockpit Set, which I've had for quite a while, but it's a good set. If I can find it. So we have the Cockpit Set, which consists of a colour and some pigment and a wash that you can all put on to make your, and it's for English cockpits, as you can see. And the other paints that I will be using is for the RAF late colours. As you can see in the middle is the Wooden Wonder, so I've got all the paints for it. Nice kits these are. You can find them. I got them off Amazon. See if I can find a link. Not promising anything though, because I'm rubbish at that. So, thanks for watching. It's been a difficult week, as I said, because I haven't been able to get back onto the PTO 109, and hopefully you'll like and subscribe and follow along with me while I build this one.